Hi, it's Natalie from Belcourt Property Group, and today I'm outside 14B Jesmond Place in Dianella. This is a stunning street front green title executive home, 3x2 or 4x2 depending upon your requirements. It has been built by a boutique HIA award-winning builder based on one of their fabulous award-winning designs. It is quality all the way. Let's go and take a look. So one of the things that I want to start with this home is this secure entry portico. This is a really fantastic and unusual feature to find, and it just means that you've got this really great private space with secure entry to welcome your guests. This window here is from the study, and that is again another fantastic feature of the home. We'll see it soon. Here is a beautiful covered entry, and that goes all the way to the back of the property, so you've got really good access. You've got gorgeous glass entry door, but it's not facing the street, as you will have noticed, so it's nice and private. Beautiful little niche with feature lighting. Just have a look at these beautiful rectified tiles that are throughout the home. Great high ceilings. Look, quality cornices, skirtings. It's just all been done. It's so beautifully finished. This is the purpose-built study / home office, or depending upon what kind of business you run, it could also be fantastic consulting or treatment rooms as well. Now, it has been designed, if you want to have a long study desk across here, which I think is just a fantastic feature. You'll see that those windows have been put at the perfect height for a home office, and you've got lots of handy power points, and you've got this beautiful feature cabinetry either side of that front window as well, particularly if you are running, say, a home beauticians or other sort of consulting business. You've got some nice display space if you want it. Also right near the entry is the double garage. We've got roof access there, great space. You know, this is brand new, so it's really nice and tidy, and extra room there. So back to the entry. And one of the things that I particularly love about this home is the amount of light. It is northerly facing down the left-hand side, but they've also done clever things like this internal courtyard, which brings extra light into the room. Now I'm going to start with this space. This is either your home theatre / lounge, or it could be bed 4. If you have a look on the floor plans, the full dimensions are there. It is a fabulous room, but you've also got that gorgeous feature recessed ceiling, and you've got terrific aspect out to the courtyard. I mean, that space, once it's full of plants and seating, is just going to be a gorgeous little spot to look out on, or just sit with your morning coffee. Now, there are 3 further bedrooms, including the main, and this is one of the minor bedrooms. Again, massive space, queen size. I want to swing around because all of these bedrooms have got these full height triple robes, so really generous spaces and all fitted out. It's just really well designed and thoughtfully done. You know, this is a builder that's done a few of these custom homes now. They know what they're doing. They've just got the design nailed. You've got linen in the hallway. We come down. I'm going to go to the family bathroom, so that just gives you a sense of that there. Look, floor to ceiling rectified tiles, semi-frameless shower screen, gorgeous deep bath, and really lovely vanity with lots of generous storage. And yes, that is a stone bench top as well. Hello. You've got separate powder, well, toilet I should say. And then again the third bedroom with these massive triple door robes. I'm going to swing across, and this is the main bedroom, and it has sliding doors out to the courtyard space, so you've got direct access there as well. And it's all brand new. Look, the thing for me is, why would you go to the expense and uncertainty of trying to build new with everything that is going on and the mad rush that is the grants at the moment, when you've got something here that is already done? So you can see robes already beautifully fitted out, lots of hanging and storage space, and you come through to this beautiful ensuite, double vanities, plenty of storage. That is soft closing drawers, toilet and shower sitting behind that area. Again, all of those rectified tiles, so no shower screens in here to clean, which is a bonus. So let's swing around and we'll go to the back. So I'm now at the back of the house to show you the open plan living, dining and kitchen space, just to give you a sense of the expanse of this area. But the hero obviously of this spot is the kitchen. You've got these beautiful 40mm waterfall edges on the island bench. Again, cabinetry that is right up to the ceiling, so you've got no terrible bulkheads to have to try and clean over. Beautiful pendant lighting, fantastic, just fantastic light in this space, and great access to the alfresco. Will pop out there in a sec. So I just want to show you through. There is a terrific, you can see reverse cycle aircon, you can see the security feature there, nice wide fridge recess with water, which is great. But you've got this terrific little scullery just sitting at the side. It's just extra storage and extra prep area. Nice big double built-in pantry, which is fabulous. And then it comes through to the laundry, which is again conveniently positioned, overhead cupboards, lots of storage and stone bench tops. So I just want to show you this fabulous outdoor space and really great alfresco area, as well as additional patch of lawn and garden. There is plenty of room if you've got a fur baby, grandkids, or even a young family who are looking for a bit of extra outdoor space. You've got gas point over there, outdoor power points, fantastic access for indoor, outdoor entertaining, and you can see too that there is that easy access from the side right down to the back. Everything has been thought of in this really fantastic home and design.
So there you have it, that's 14B Jesmond Place in Dianella. Look, if it was me and you were thinking of building new, looking for a quality downsizer, I wouldn't be doing it. I would be absolutely buying a quality established home like this. What you see is what you get. You've got no uncertainty in terms of the end expense or what it's going to look like. No hassles, no delays. This is just a stunning home. You just come in, hang up your clothes, plonk down your couch, order Uber Eats, and you are set. The floor plan is fantastic, lots of flexible spaces. It's going to suit you, I think, for many years to come, and you're just going to be really super impressed by the thoughtfulness of the design and the practicality of the layout of this home. Call me now, 0405 812 273 for further details or to arrange your private inspection. Look forward to seeing you soon.